again, it's those galleries, and today we're doing the Feisty pets. I don't know how these look like. I just found these at Five Below, so I guess I get a green one and they get a blue one. So it says Series 1. So I know the big ones they changed their face to sad, to angry, or to cute, to all of a sudden mean, vicious looking. So let's see. So they come in like a little carrier container. So this is a little carrier. And then let me see, I guess the door opens. So the door opens up. Okay, so I got the kitty. So this one is sad. And then first it says in brah, sad, brah. Okay, so let me see if they have names. So Feisty Pets Mini Misfits they're called. Mine is Feral Carol. Okay, Adrian, go ahead and open yours up. And let's see.
Shut up, Karen!
So it's just a normal one because it doesn't have any color paw print. So they have normal, rare, super rare, and ultra rare. Let's see, 14 to choose from. Oh wait, there's more on the back. There's a whole bunch.
Chris and I both have
There's
blue
tons.
ones.
Yeah, you have the blue carriers.
Means we're gonna have duplicates.
Hopefully not. There's a lot of this.
Well,
there's a lot of them.
They go to people still though.
Yeah. Wait, how'd you? Oh.
Why is the pet in a bag?
Oh no, that's not good.
This is animal abuse.
I know, jeez.
Gets PETA on the video and then.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Why should what
no.
PETA says matter to anyone? Just ignore them, they're stupid.
It's a toy.
Oh, just because they complain doesn't mean they have the right to. Okay, it's the same
one.
one.
No, she got Feral Carol even with the blue cart.
Why do they have the right to change anything?
Push down. Oh, okay, so we got two Feral Carols. Yeah, hopefully they don't get all three the same because I only got 3 of these.
It does? Wait, does that have human teeth?
It has the perfect row of straight teeth.
So it has door teeth.
Yeah.
It has horse teeth.
Okay, Crystal, let's see. Hopefully you didn't get Feral Carol also, man.
Did I get Feral Carol? Find out next.
It is one of the more common ones.
Oh
so.
yeah. In Thor 4, I'm going to include a scene where I wrestle with Thor.
There's like 24
like
different
paint.
ones though, and we got the same.
Oh, mine didn't smell like paint, did it? Not really.
Faintly.
Paint! What the heck?
Narcoleptic? Oh gosh.
Is it a seal? I think it's a seal.
Yeah. Okay.
You gassy Gabby.
They got some crazy ones on here.
Okay.
They got some on the front and some on the back. Lightning Bolt Lenny. Extinct Eddie. Jacked Up Jackie? Oh gosh. Sure growls a lot. Tony Tubillard. Oh shoot. Sammy.
I got a dragon.
Oh, you got something different, huh?
Let's see. Don't tell me who it is.
It is. I'm seeing. I'm finding it.
No.
Ooh, I found it.
Achy Alex. It's a common, I guess.
Okay, so we got all commons. Me and Adrian got the same. Why do we always get the same one? Bad luck.
Oh, maybe they do have sharp teeth. Okay.
Okay, so this one's really cool. It's a purple dragon.
Spike! Let's have the actors pass around the same pair of fake teeth.
Yeah,
What?
they put it in, that's how they, yeah.
What was the budget for your movie that you need to be doing this? $10.
Okay, so these are really cute. So there's like 24 different ones, more than 24, but we still got duplicates. So this is Feisty Pets Mini Misfits. So if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe for more. Bye-bye.
Bye.